Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and it's their favorite time of the week. We know what time that is. Of course, weekly candle post barn review time. I love it. You all love it, especially as we are getting into more sales. There's a candle sale this weekend at Bath and Body Works. I know that I have seen, and of course other brands. I know Goose Creek is doing Halloween clearance. They're doing a fall clearance sales I've been seeing. Yeah, Aldi has new candles. Everybody got something going on, and it's been a really ramp up the closer we get to Halloween, and especially once November 1st gets here, we are in full-on holiday mode. So with that being said, we got some more candles to talk about because you all have been wondering and questioning about whether it's certain candles do you need, do you not need, especially with there being more coming out with these seasons, especially fall and definitely holiday coming. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ramp up these weekly post barn reviews. So I'm excited to be talking about these some more, and yeah, we will get into it. But before we do that, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping that we always do first here on this channel. Elves, you know what time it is. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Lipstick of the day, Elves, is by NARS. And this is the shade Claudia. Where are my manners? This is Claudia. She is a perfectly bubblegum Barbie pink color. I like it. It's more of a satin finish. Has a little bit of sheen to it. And yeah, I'm having an uber Barbie pink moment. It is October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so we are here for that. Yay. Shout out to those that have survived and those that are still fighting. Do your things. Fragrance of the day, everyone. Fragrance of the day. This one I've been reaching for more and more now that it's fall, and this is by Maison Francis Kurkdjian, Paris, and this is Baccarat Rouge 540. The Extrait de Parfum, aka the red bottle. That's what this one is. Because you all have seen me show the clear bottle, which is the original EDP, but yes, I do own the extrait as well. So yes, that's a video for another day and time for me to discuss those. Alas, this has been the fragrance of the day. So all right, weekly candle post burn reviews. We rank candles by 3 categories for those that are new here, and for my old elves, y'all know how we do it. Those 3 categories are: number 1, burn experience. How was it? Did it give us a good time? Did we have to babysit it, meaning keep having to light it, blow on it, have to put some foil on it, move it to another area, do a whole lot to make it burn right? We talk about that in burn experience. Number 2, throw on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 meaning non-existent, is just scentless wax. And then 10, which is powerhouse. I can smell it even in my clothes when I'm outside and in my car. So all right, you all. And then number 3, the most important one, would I purchase it again? And that's a simple yes or no question, because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Am I gonna buy it again? Is it hoard worthy? So all right, everyone, we have 6 candles to discuss, and yeah, let's get right on into it. Candle number 1, you all have seen me talk about this candle before. It is a summer candle, but I got it in an online exclusive packaging, and yeah, I had to get some more of it. It's so good, and I hope they bring it back next summer. This is none other than Bath and Body Works Coconut Sandalwood. So yes, you all have seen this candle on here before, so you already know this is a yes and a love for me. The notes in coconut sandalwood were coconut palm, luxurious sandalwood, warm musk, and jasmine. Very nice. This one was very, very good. You all burned all the way down. We got a little bit of soot in the wax, but nothing was crazy. No crazy burnage around the edges of it. So this was a very good burn. I could light it and walk away and do what I need to do and just enjoy the scent. Throw of this coconut sandalwood version, throw on this one was a 7.5. It's a wonderful scent, lovely, but of course it's a summer scent, so it did enough, but it didn't necessarily knock me off my feet, this version, so that's why I give it a 7.5. Like, I knew it was there, but it didn't like go whoa. It didn't make me do that. It didn't make me do that at all. So all right, and then the last one, would I repurchase this one again? Yes. I love this scent so much. I've purchased like 3 of them this past season. So yes, this is a definite repurchase again for the people in the back. This is Bath and Body Works Coconut Sandalwood one. The next candle is by, of course, Bath and Body Works, and this is a White Barn core packaging, and this is none other than my baby. This is Laundry Day. Ooh, super bright. This is Laundry Day. Let's talk about it. Scent notes in Laundry Day were fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, soft lavender. This one, of course, was good. We love Laundry Day on this channel. Y'all know this was my hoard-worthy scent, and I do love it, and I still love it. This was a powerhouse. Throw scale on 1 to 10. This is a powerhouse. This is a 10. I love this candle so much, and I'm glad to see they're starting to incorporate it year-round, because I saw online they have like a 6-pack of the wallflowers, which I mean, okay, that's a very good sign, meaning it's gonna be here. Yes, please make it as prevalent as a mahogany teak wood, as a black cherry merlot, as a champagne toast. I need it to be that prevalent at Bath & Body Works. Like standalone core packaging, I need Laundry Day to be a part of it. Would I purchase it again? Yes. Couldn't you tell? Y'all already knew that. Absolute yes, y'all. Absolute yes. I have one more I think left. So this scent is just okay. Laundry Day makes me so happy. Please get you a Laundry Day at some point during one of these sales, because they're still online from what I have seen. They're not in stores, but you can get it online. We're going to switch gears to single wick territory today, and this one is an oldie but goodie. This one is Bow Ties and Bourbon from Bath & Body Works. All right, burned all the way down, really, really good. Very, very even. We like that. This one was actually loaned out, well, not loaned out, but given to Bae, because he was like, I want a new candle. I need a candle for my office now. I said, oh, you're joining Team Burn Candles at work. And he was like, yeah. So I literally came downstairs, and next thing I know, I see he had found this one in my stash of single wick candles. I was like, you've been digging. He's like, well, I like this one. I like this one. I was like, and I saw the name is Bow Ties and Bourbon. I said, it's very you. So it makes sense. Let's see. This one's a version that still has the notes on it, so I can actually read the notes. I'm excited. Notes on Bow Ties and Bourbon were dark oak, bergamot, and hint of bourbon. Yeah, this scent is very, very masculine. Ooh, yeah. Now I remember why it sat in my corner for a while, but it makes sense why he would love it. This is a guy scent. Burn experience, he said it was very good. It was nice for him, and I also saw the end of it burning when I had visited. So it was burning very nicely. We like that. We're here for it. And then throw on a scale of 1 to 10, I experienced this one for myself. You all, this one is loud. This is a powerhouse. This one is loud. Very, very loud. This is a 10. Yeah. Would I repurchase this again? For me, no, because this is extremely too masculine for me as a lady. It is way too masculine. However, would I repurchase it for him? Yes. So this makes the list for men's candles, Bow Ties and Bourbon. All right, next candle. This one was actually my office candle scent. We're taking a trip back to spring, and this is the Happy Easter candle, aka Perfect Spring, with the lovely blue wax. So burn experience on this one was very nice, as you all can see. We burned that all the way down. Very, very good. We love it. Let's see here. Throw. Perfect Spring, it smells like grass. Like, it literally just smells like freaking grass outside when it's first sprouting up out the ground. That's why I like it, though. I'm a March baby, so this candle speaks to me for that reason. Throw on Perfect Spring, it had my whole office smell like grass, so I give it an 8. It was an 8. I just can't get over it, y'all. Like, it just smells like it's an 8. Yeah, it's great. And then this one, would I repurchase it again? Yes, I would. I literally like this candle when spring first hits, so I always have to have one Perfect Spring in my collection. However, I must admit, it was kind of weird smelling it in the summertime while it was hot. So the whole grass scent was kind of magnified. So I will suggest you do need to burn this in its true season, which is spring, because anything after that is like, it can be kind of choking. It's a lot. Just want to put that out there. All right, back to 3-wick world. This is Bath & Body Works candle. Next post-burn review we have is for online exclusive. This is Banana Walnut Muffin. Oh yes, Banana Walnut Muffin. Those that know. The notes in Banana Walnut Muffin were sweet banana, golden nutmeg, cinnamon sugar muffin. I'm so glad I have a backup of this, y'all. This candle is fabulous. It's so good. But anywho, let's get it. Let's do right. Burn experience. Excellent. Excellent. You all, within the first hour, this thing filled the room. It was amazing. I did not have to wait for it to pull out. It did what it needed to do. So excellent burn experience. Throw. This candle is so good. It's a 9. This is a 9. It's right there at borderline, a powerhouse. It is a powerhouse, but it's not the peak of powerhouse. I consider anything powerhouse between an 8 and a 10 for me. That's my personal scale. But yeah, this one is a 9. So it's right up there, baby. Oh baby, this is it. My only gripe with it is its availability. Like, why is it only online exclusive? Like, I don't understand. This needs to be in stores. Last year it actually was in store, and then this year's online exclusive. But even still, I feel like we had to wait to the end to get more of it in store. I'm gonna need y'all to stop holding off on banana walnut muffin. Yeah. Okay, mini rant over. Would I repurchase this again? Abso-freaking-lutely. It's so good. I would actually purchase more of it if it was in my stores. So again, I need y'all to stop making this candle online exclusive. This is so good. Definitely get your nose on it. It smells very authentic. If you like bakery, this is going to be right up your alley. It's perfectly baked dough, and I'm here for it. And the last candle, this one is a classic scent that the people love, and I have come to enjoy it more so because Bae loves it, so I smell it more now. It's become his scent of choice, and this is none other than Bath & Body Works Flannel. This is Flannel, everyone, in this packaging. It has a $24.50 price point. Last of an era. Anywho, the notes in Flannel were fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, and soft musk. So alright everyone, get into it. Beautiful, flawless victory with the burn experience. I was able to witness this candle burning for all weekend, and it was amazing. It filled the room. It was beautiful. So no issues, didn't have to relight it, none of that. It was perfectly good burn. This version was fabulous. Thorough. This one filled the room. This one definitely filled the room. I give this one an 8. Like, it was strong enough, but it wasn't so strong that it made my nose hurt, so I was good for it. I give this flannel an 8. Fabulous. And would I repurchase this one again? You know what? Both of the flannels I have purchased during this candle season have ended up stolen by Bae because he loves it so much. I have yet to actually have one truly for myself. So would I repurchase this again? Yes, because actually I keep smelling this scent so much when I'm over at his place that I'm like, okay, I actually like this scent for myself, and now I really want one for me. Maybe it's a little bit of FOMO, but I keep smelling it. I'm able to enjoy it like when I'm with him. So I'm like, I want one for myself. Like, I might have to give me a flannel and hide it. Yeah, he actually watches my videos, so I hope he's not watching right now, because yeah, the next flannel I'm gonna keep for me. So alright elves, that wraps up this here video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I feel like I had a lot of fun. We had a whole lot going on in this video. As usual, remember, details to the beat, fragrance of the day, lipstick of the day, all of that is in the description box, as well as all the other things, brows, eyes, you know, the full shebang. It's all linked below, everyone. But until next time, I will catch you all later. Bye, y'all.